I saw you with that rocket earlier. How did you do that?
It's really quite easy.
Tell me how you made it blast off.
It's all about the fuel.
What about fuel?
Well, as an astronomer who wants to send a rocket into space, I use calculus to figure out how much fuel I need to accelerate to the right velocity.
How do you know how much fuel is needed?
I use related rates to determine the amount of fuel I need. I use the relationship between the rocket fuel and time.
Why is the relationship between rocket fuel and time so important?
You have to know how far you're going, the amount of fuel it takes to get that far, and the average velocity. As the velocity increases, the consumption increases. What you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing?
I don't know.
I'm looking through a telescope.
What's a telescope?
This thing holding in my hand.
What does it do?
It magnifies outer space.
Well, do you know who made the telescope?
I don't know, little girl.
I do.
I'm sure you do.
Galileo Galilei made the telescope, but Sir Isaac Newton proved it with the knowledge of calculus.
I did not know that.
Not like you learned it in 5th grade or something.
I don't remember that, but I do remember that without calculus, the telescope could not be proved.
Well, what's calculus?
We'll discover it one day. Delilah, can we have fried chicken and sweet tea for supper tonight?
No.
Look at that there planet, Delilah.
Billy Joe Bob, that is a satellite.
What's it doing?
It is clearly orbiting.
What does that mean, Delilah?
It means it's moving in a circle, you moron.
It's like a wheel on one tractor going round and round. Put us in the sky.
It's like rotating a line around the x-axis.
Huh?
Don't interrupt me when I am talking to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Be quiet and listen. Now, where was I? A satellite has to be a certain altitude because Earth's gravity would decrease its velocity if it was too close, and it would flow away if it was too far away. Astronomers use calculus to determine how far to send the satellite for good orbit. Oh my! That satellite got too close to Earth!
I saw you blast the rocket off earlier. How did you do that?
It's really quite easy.
Tell me how you made it blast off.
It's all about the fuel.
What about fuel?
Well, and if an astronomer wants to send a rocket to space, he uses calculus to figure out how much fuel he needs to accelerate to the right velocity.
I can't read.
Look at that there planet, Delilah.
No, Billy Bob Joe, that's a satellite.
What's it doing?
Orbit.
What does that mean, Delilah?
You moron, it means it's going in a circle.
It's like a wheel on my tractor going around. Look at that there planet, Delilah.
No, Billy Bob Joe, it's a satellite.
What's it doing?
It's orbiting.
What does that mean, Delilah?
You moron, it means it's going in a circle.
It's like a wheel on my tractor going around and around. But it's in the sky. Delilah, can we have fried chicken and sweet tea for supper tonight?
No.
Look at that there planet.
No, Billy Bob Joe, that's a satellite.
What's it doing?
It's clearly orbiting.
What's that mean, Delilah?
You moron, it means it's going in a circle.